Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just gonna be working on the tiburon, and we're gonna be restoring the headlights on it because they are pretty bad, and I want to get them fixed up because it's very hard to see with them, and they just look bad. I mean, I just wanna fix them up. So I do have a process. There is a way you can do this without buying a kit, but I went with a kit, and I just wanted to save myself the time just to go and buy all the sandpaper and the polish. So I just bought a kit which has everything in it. So today I'll show you the process of doing it, and we'll do it step by step. But you can do it just by following your own rules. You can just get like sandpaper and just follow the same steps and polish. Just polish it at the end, and yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so these are the things that you're gonna be needing. Masking tape. I'm using 600 grit sandpaper because mine are pretty bad, and these come with only 2,000, as you can see here, 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000 grits to like really fine the the surface down. But I want to start off with 600 because mine are pretty bad, and I want a really good job done to them. And so I got a rag, and I got some soapy water to help me with the wet sanding and just to help me clean it up. So let's go. Renewal kit, so let's see what's up. Oh damn, so you get a rag, so you don't need your own rag. A rag, what is this, some headlight polish restorer, a pad to put on your sanding discs, I guess, a buff pad, and yeah, so 3,000 to 2,000, so 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000 grit sanding surfaces. So yeah, let's get started with these. As you guys can see, they're pretty dirty, and on the other side, pretty dirty. A lot of yellow and scuffing on them. I don't know if the camera can pick up that well, but they're pretty messed up. So I'm gonna start with the wet sanding, and with that, hopefully everything turns out pretty good. So stay tuned. So what you want to do first is, using the masking tape, just mask around the headlight so you don't damage any of your paint. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So got it all matched up, so I opened the hood just to make it a bit better, so I don't gotta mask the hood. One place let's do mask, you know? So before I get started, I just wanna give it a quick wipe with just wash it off. Get rid of all the dirt and debris. So it's gonna wet it down and wet down the sandpaper and just start going in a side to side motion. Don't press too hard because You don't want to scratch it up too much. Let's go side to side. Read all the edges. I'm gonna do this for a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes. We're doing the same thing, but we're gonna be using the 2000 grit this time. Wet it all up. Wet this pad up too. I'm going to left and right. So just a comparison of how it looked before. That's how it looked before. I mean, after, not before. But this is how it looks before. You can see pretty good in this, all the haziness, and in this. But I still haven't polished this yet, so let's take off the tape and wipe it down and start polishing. Okay, so it's pretty dried up. So now we're gonna use the polishing pad and the headlight polish restorer. So just gonna put that on there and apply a bit of this on this, a bit more, and just gonna put it everywhere around here a little. and so just go back and forth. So after polishing it, I mean, you can see they look amazing, and compared to what they were before, huge comparison, what they were before and after. So I'm gonna do that on my own time. I just don't want to bore you guys. You can do the same thing on that side and you'll get the same result. And yes guys, so that's something I wanted to put out there. The Tiburon is gonna be like a budget car, so I wanna do like Amazon Wish and eBay type of build, so like a budget build, so like anybody can do. I know this car is not like well known out there, not many people do it, but I want to try with it. It's like, I know it's not well known at all or anything, it's not fast by any means or anything. I just want to learn on it and like expand my knowledge and just like do mods that are like cheap that even you can do or anybody can do out there. So I just want to learn on this car. I feel like it's a good platform to learn on, and we're gonna be doing some Wish mods to it, some Amazon mods, and if we get a chance, like we can even like in the future put like an eBay turbo on it and just check it out how they do it and do the install. But definitely I want to do like a turbo build, so I know like how to install a turbo. I still like I'm like I don't have the knowledge yet to do a turbo, but I know a little bit about cars like mechanically wise and how to fix like brakes, rotors, struts, change like body parts, interior stuff, just like hardware stuff. I know how to do that, but in generally like taking out an engine, I've never done that, but I want to learn and like build a car, buy like a body only that I like, a frame of a body like I really like, and just like learn, you know. But I feel like this is a really good car to just learn on, but it's gonna be a budget build. Amazon, not like a ricer build. I want it to be nice still, but I still want it to be like looking good, have some performance mod on it and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.